Hey guys, I just wanted to update the FPV community on something that I've just kind of been messing with a little bit in my free time when I'm flying. Notice, like in some of my videos, my footage almost feels like it's doing this. I've seen it in a lot of YouTube videos that you need to move your camera up, right? So mine was at, I think, 15 degrees, and that may even have been stock, I don't know. So what was happening was I was trying to speed up, but when I'm speeding up, since my drone is actually more horizontal, it was just lifting up. And so I got to this point where I was just moving the controllers back and forth, and that gives like this motion of, I don't know, it makes the footage look really bad. So what I've noticed is if I aim my camera 25 to 28 degrees higher, I'm rocking the drone forward, and it's just a little more smooth video. Because when I'm flying, I'm kind of worried about like the yaw and roll probably a little more than I should. I want it to be kind of smooth because I feel like that gives it that more cinematic flow look. But what I'm doing is introducing this. I got the yaw and the flow, and then I have this like rocking thing happening, and what's happening is I'm trying to get closer to the ground and speed up at the same time, but my brain's telling me I don't want to hit the ground, obviously, and it makes the footage choppy is what happens. So instead of just leaning forward and flying forward, or pitching forward, then pitching back, and I'm pitching forward and pitching back, and then I get this kind of crappy up and down footage that it's not moving very fast, and come to find out it was because my camera wasn't tilted high enough. So maybe that'll help somebody in the future if they're trying to get some smoother, faster footage. And it does seem like I can get a little bit lower to the ground. It seems like it's making a difference in my drone. Maybe it'll help somebody else.